So we will starting sound chapter. It is okay. The half portion of this chapter is already given in the class 8th. Okay, so first these all we have already discussed. Still, I will repeat it again. So what is sound? Sound is a form of energy that is produced by vibrating object. This topic will come in the later pages also. You will see there are like two things given in the sound. First is how it is produced, and second how it will travel from one particle to another particle. Particle means atom. From one atom to another atom, how it will travel. So first it is a form of energy. Energy we have already discussed in the next last chapter, that is work energy. So what is this? It is a form of energy produced by vibrating object. Okay, vibration means what? Up and down movement, or like back and forth movement. Okay, so they are not moving from their place. Suppose this is a one particle, this is one particle, so they will not move from their place. They will just move up and down, up and down. They will not go from this place to another place. Sound will go from this place to another place, but the particles will not go. Means energy will move. How energy will move? This will move back and forth. So when this will move back and forth, this will hit this particle, and the whatever the extra energy it is having, it will pass the extra energy to this particle. Then this particle become at rest, and then this particle, the second particle, it will start moving back and forth, up and down, and then it will transfer the energy to this particle. So in this way the energy will move like this, okay, in the forward direction. Now what are the characteristics of the sound? Okay, so first it is traveling in the form of wave. What is wave? That we will see. You can see here what is wave. Wave is a disturbance with transfer of energy. Okay, whenever you are speaking, so that when you speak from your mouth, energy will come out and it will be entering into one particle. Okay, so that particle already it was at rest, but when the energy will go inside that particle, the particle become restless. So that is a disturbance. So that disturbance, that particle will start moving up like back and forth like this. Just now I told you. So this particle, the disturbance in this particle will move from this particle to another particle. So that disturbance, how it will travel? It will not travel like this. It will travel in this way, means in wave form. So one particle to another particle, one particle to another particle, like this. So when they will have the extra energy, they will transfer that energy to next particle in the form of wave. So that energy is traveling in this form, up down, up down, up down. This is known as what? This is known as disturbance, and this disturbance is known as wave. In physics it is known as wave. Okay, so basically this is the like from where you get the term wave. After Bohr, you have already studied the three model, Thomson model, Rutherford model, and Bohr model. After Bohr model, for explaining the behavior of electron, okay, for explaining the behavior of electron, there comes another model. That model name is wave mechanical model, given by de Broglie. So what you have to keep into your mind, that de Broglie model came after Bohr. In that, he told that electrons are sending the energy in the form of wave. They are not traveling in the straight line. They are traveling in wave, means up and down, up and down. So when they have identified and they have observed the wave, then they find out the diagram of wave, how the wave is traveling up and down. There is a central point of this up and down. The upward part is known as crest, downward part is known as trough, and it is moving in this, means particle are there. Okay, they are not moving. The disturbance is moving from one particle to another particle. So the wave motion is in this direction. Okay, but the particle motion is up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, this is known as mean position. So mean position, when you start from the mean position, one straight line should meet the highest point. Okay, so it is in up direction also, it is in down direction also. So this diagram is there. Direction of propagation means movement. What is a movement? Okay, now there are two type of the waves, mechanical and electromagnetic waves. In all of the universe, any particle, when they are absorbing the energy, how they are sending the energy, there are two ways. Either it can be mechanical disturbance or it can be electromagnetic disturbance. So how? Mechanical waves means what? If there is a trick how you can understand that. So if it is mechanical wave, they can travel through the matter. Matter means what? Solid, liquid and gas. They can travel in solid, liquid and gas. The second type of the wave, electromagnetic wave, they can travel in this also, plus vacuum also. So this is the like light. So light, from where it is coming? It is coming from the sun. So when it is coming from sun to earth, from sun to earth, this is sun, this earth. Between we are having the vacuum, means space. So light is traveling in the vacuum also, and when it enter into the earth atmosphere, it is traveling in the matter. So light is what? Light is an electromagnetic wave. Okay, but sound is mechanical wave. So if you will go in the space, you cannot hear the sound of another person. Why? Because sound cannot travel in the vacuum. Same example, same if you are on the moon, you can't hear the voice of another person. Why? Because they cannot travel in the vacuum. Okay, but light can travel. So from the sun through the space, it is coming on the earth. So when you see the diagram of this, its diagram is normal, like we have drawn here. Electromagnetic waves are there. What is the meaning? You see, electromagnetic means two words are there. First is electric and second is magnetic. So two fields are there. What are the fields that we will see in the next classes? But if you want that additional information, I have added. So some additional information parts are there. You can understand that, but this is not in your syllabus. Okay, next class we will see means 10th and 11th. Okay, so you see there, you have to understand the diagram only. What is electromagnetic wave? They are created by the vibration between two fields. Okay, one particle can create electric field also. Magnetic field means area. Two type of area it is creating, means the electron, when electron start vibrating, means one electron is there. Okay, it is absorbing the energy, so it can create two type of the area. One area is electric field, second area is magnetic field. So when there is the vibration or the movement between these two areas, that will create a disturbance. That disturbance is known as electromagnetic wave. I'm repeating again. One electron is there, it is absorbing some energy. It can create two type of the area, electric and magnetic. When there is movement between these two areas, it is creating a different wave. The wave is known as electromagnetic wave. So basically two waves are there in this. You can see the black one, it is a normal that you have drawn it here. Then second one, the blue one, so it is at perpendicular to, means 90 degrees. You can see this one, the blue one, it is for the this black one. Okay, so this arrow is for the electric field, the black one, and this arrow, Z arrow, it is for the blue, this one. Means both the black and blue are perpendicular to each other. You see here I have drawn Y and X axis only. Here we have drawn Z axis also. So Z axis means it is perpendicular to this.